Hi everyone. Thanks for being here, Whiteheart. I hope you're having a peaceful day. Today I wanted to share a try-on haul that feels easy, honest, and wearable outfits you can actually imagine wearing in real life. Let's start. The first look is simple and comfortable in the best way. It feels light on the body and moves naturally, which makes it perfect for everyday routines, casual plans, or relaxed afternoons. It's one of those outfits that doesn't try too hard, yet still looks good. The second look changes the energy a bit. It feels more confident and expressive, with details that naturally draw attention. The fit gives a polished finish, making it a great option for evenings, dinners, or moments when you want to stand out without overdoing it. The third look brings in a fresh, minimal vibe. Clean lines, soft fabric, and an effortless fit make it ideal for daytime wear or warm weather. It's comfortable, versatile, and easy to style again and again. That's all for today's try-on haul, Sparkles. I'd love to hear which look matched your style, so drop a comment below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more.